We have two ways to take a screenshot without using any buttons on Nothing Phone 3a. The first method is to go to the background apps if we have the app opened. Then over here we have the screenshot button, and we can use it in order to capture the screenshot of the selected app. But unfortunately, this option doesn't allow you to take screenshots, for example, from the home screen or the app drawer. Therefore, we can go to Settings. Over here, scroll down to Special Features and then go to Gestures and Screenshot Gesture. We can enable 3-finger swipe, and now we can swipe with 3 fingers from the top towards the bottom like this in order to capture the full screenshot, or you can press and hold with these 3 fingers again and swipe down to select the area that you want to capture. By doing so, you will do the selective screenshot or partial screenshot. Over here we have some additional tools, and we can save by using this button in the top left corner. Check out this playlist to find more guides. Like, comment, subscribe.